Okay, hey y'all, Mitch with Prism Supply here with our buddy Michael's 82 FXR. We posted a picture last week, I think it was, and had a lot of questions about the Sissy Bar on it. So we're gonna talk to you about that, show you how I went through and did it. Okay, what I did to start with is I took one of our Sportster 04 and up stainless steel Sissy Bars, and just to see if it would fit, because it looked like it was kind of correct. So I slid it over, and it's close enough where it will work. Then what I did was this little cutout here in the strut. I drilled a hole right through the middle. Did the same on the other side. Mounted the back side. Put a little space in there because it hits this little lip here. Let the Sissy Bar sit where it should sit, and then drilled the hole in the front, and it pretty much mounted right up. And then I had to use a little bit longer bolts that come with the kit. But if you want to do it at home, it's super simple. It's probably, for an amateur, a 2-hour job. You can get it done, have a Sissy Bar on your FXR. And then after it was all said and done, I put on one of our Sissy Bar seat pads with the diamond stitch to match the diamond stitch. Try to tie everything all together really nice. FXR guys, let us know if you want to try this out. Send us your pics so we know if somebody's doing it. Thanks.